Hello, hello, hello. Monday afternoon. Right, this is my Chelsea trellis for new mains. Right, there. It's no finish yet. The carp's to go in it. Still a wee bit sanding doing, and they're going to go sprayed grey. Beautiful. That's going to be a bra with a tag on it. That's what happens. That's the one there, the side one there. You see what we do there? That's same. You see? Aye. That's it. That's what they call. Hold on to tell you the name of it. I've got it written down. I've been a good boy today. I've got all more ready for you. Chelsea trellis. There you go. Back to school. And we're doing a pergola type thing up there too. With this, we're going to the side of the trellis. We're doing a shingle roof, silk shingle roof for this. With metal posts. There's the all there. There it's all there ready to go. Everything's cut. We've cut that ready to go. That's to get assembled tomorrow, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. So that's it. So that's that done. Put the tick. Now here. Now you'll see vroom vroom vroom. Wait to put an aerial on it. I used to put an aerial on a car. There you go. Toot 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 the aerial there, right? Right, Joseph Bowman, Glen Truel Camping and Caravan site, bargaining. Where is it? Glen Truel. So there you go. He could be the first contender for the first workplace challenge for the Thor challenge. Now, come on, workplace challenges, Friday live. Come to you in the 3 o'clock. We need 6 places of work for me to come with the Thor. Five workplace. Is it 5 or 6?
Oh, you said 6, I held up 5.
Oh, so there you go. I've done it wrong again. Right, hold on to get this right. 6. Yes, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. Right? Workplaces for the Thor challenge. Now, come on. We've got Hamilton Brothers to vote, I think. Big Andrew or Gary, whatever the day of the week it is, depends what name he gets under. He says that he'll win it. We'll wait and see. I think this is easy. I think Joseph Bowman of Glen Truel Camping and Caravan site bargaining could go on the list. I need 6 workplaces before I can get all drawn up. It's like the darts championship or the snooker, and there'll be 6 there, and then there'll be 3, and so on and so on, and then we'll have the big finale. And as it goes, each round goes, it'll get harder and harder and heavier and heavier. And then the final will be a special place. Right in there, right, also, right, hello to Jerry Gorman and Lanarkshire. Jerry, we're actually fully booked to noon. For us to go up to Lanarkshire, the noon day to work, the noon would be just too much, pal. But there, you've got to mention, Jerry, what beer could you want? And then we've got Gary Hunter, who works in Howdens in Lark Hall. Now, I'm finding family members I never had, and you had. So, hello to Irene Copeland Hunter. Hello, cuz. How you doing, cuz? Now, cuz, long time no see. Hope to see you again, good cuz. Long lost cousin of the mighty WSH fencing. The mighty. There you go, the mighty WSH. There you go. Hello to cousin Irene Copeland Hunter. Okay, Gary, is that you happy? And then my next one is, going to be very quick today, Tim Atkin, fence treatment, right? I'm not going to mention the name of the product unless they sponsor me, but all I'll say to you is, you're going to do computer and go, clear coat light or dark is the best thing I'm telling you now to do fences with. Spray it's oil based, it penetrates in, okay? It's the same as, there's a compressor coming on, I'm going to override it. I'm not going to say the name of the bench, do they sponsor me? Right? It's as simple as that, and I don't care what the noise of the compressor says. So there you go, folks. I'm now taking note to everybody that sends me for a shout out, so send me the details and you'll go on the wall, the board of fame, the board of fame. And get your name in for the Thor hammer. We've got 4 more workplaces for the Thor workplace challenge. It's simple as that. We're thinking of blues and twos and two, a blue, and if anybody doesn't know, the blues and twos boys and lasses will know what I'm talking about. Who's the strongest blues and twos worker out there? So see you all later, folks.